Hello there everybody, Rich Starblaster here from RWAPAT Limited. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Let's just get straight into the purpose of this video. If you didn't know already, and you run a limited company and you work for your limited company, did you know that you can claim mileage allowance for your vehicle? At the current rate, I believe it's 45 pence per mile for the first 10,000 miles in a year, and then 25 pence per subsequent mile. Just thought that'd be a nice bit of interest for you, so you can earn a little bit more money on PAYE through your limited company. I'll pop a link to the government, well, to link to the place on the government website where you can find this information at. And please note, this is for the UK only. Hopefully you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and smash that bell icon and select all to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you all soon. Ta-ta for now.